Welcome to Boundless Estates, your daily look at real estate across the country. We search Zillow for unique and affordable homes, from off-grid cabins to one-of-a-kind properties. Our mission is simple. We find the hidden deals so you don't have to. Today I'm taking you to Indiana, inside a home that blends history with modern living in a way you rarely see. What was once a small-town grocery store has been transformed into a stunning, single-family residence. This place has a story, and every detail inside brings that history to life in a fresh new way. The first thing you notice is how timeless it feels. Built in 1821, the property has stood for over 200 years. Yet when you step inside, you're greeted with a home that feels brand new. It has been fully renovated from top to bottom, and nothing was overlooked. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms across 2,500 square feet of living space. The open floor plan is anchored by a striking steel staircase that immediately catches your eye. It is bold, modern, and pairs beautifully with the historic character of the building. The kitchen is a dream. Sleek counters, top-of-the-line finishes, and updated appliances make this space as functional as it is beautiful. From the gas range to the dishwasher, everything is ready for day-to-day living or hosting guests. Each of the bedrooms has its own personality, but the primary suite truly stands out. It comes with its own private balcony, perfect for morning coffee or winding down in the evening. And with 2 full bathrooms and a half bath, the layout is designed to handle both everyday life and visiting guests with ease. This home has been operating as a successful short-term rental and comfortably sleeps 9. That makes it more than just a residence. It is also an income-producing property that can start working for you right away. Whether you want to keep it as a vacation rental, use it as your own retreat, or settle in as a full-time home, the options are wide open. Step outside and you'll find a private backyard along with 2 inviting patios. These outdoor spaces are perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of small-town life. The property sits on an 8,400 square foot lot, giving you just the right mix of space and manageability. There is even a full basement, offering extra storage or creative space depending on your needs. This property is the definition of rare. You get history, character, and modern luxury all under one roof. You get flexibility, whether you are looking for a residence, a vacation spot, or an investment that pays for itself. And you get it all in a community that still holds on to that small-town charm. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more unique properties, and let me know in the comments what you think about a home with this much character. Could you see yourself living here? Or would you keep it as an Airbnb and let it earn income? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next tour.